Hello students, Sairam. Let us continue with the same chapter number 9, rational numbers. And today we will understand a new operation on rational numbers, that is subtraction of rational numbers. In the last session we have done addition of rational numbers. Today we will do subtraction of rational numbers. And then we will do exercise 9.2, question number 2 from 1 to 5. And before we understand this and then we'll start this, let us do one example. Let us solve one example. This is example number 6. Satpal walks 2/3 kilometer from a place P towards east and then from there 5/7 kilometer towards west. Where will he be now from P? So we have to find out where will he be now from this point P. So let us see how to solve it. Now here it is drawn here, so you will understand better, and this is the direction given. See, this is east, this one is west, this one is north, and this one is south direction. And now here let us read the question. Satpal walks 2/3 kilometer from a place P. Now here this is the point P. So he walks 2/3 kilometer from point P towards east, and this is the east direction. And let us denote east direction by positive sign. And then the west we will be symbolizing it by negative sign. So west side will be negative and east will be positive. Okay, so here from point P, Satpal will walk 2/3 kilometer and he reaches this point, that is point A. And then from there 5/7 kilometer towards west. So from here he comes back towards west. So this is west side and here it is negative. So here he comes back and he reaches here 5/7 kilometer. He reaches at point B. Now what you have to do? You have to find out where will he be now from P. That means you have to find out the distance, the difference. How much is the difference? So how you are going to do? You have to write like this, distance from P. So distance from P will be, first we'll write AP, or you can write PA minus AB. Then we will get this distance. This distance we will find out. So we will first write this from here, P to A is 2/3 kilometers. So you can see here AP is written as 2/3 and then minus 5/7 kilometers. So minus 5/7 kilometer. And then we will solve it. Next step, 2/3 minus this, you know how to convert, 1 into 7 plus 5. It will be in the numerator and then in the denominator we'll write 7. And then next step will be this, 2/3 minus in bracket 7 plus 5/7. And then next step 2/3 minus, now 7 plus 5 is 12/7. Now here you can see both the denominators are different. So we will multiply this 3 into 7. And then what we'll do? We will cross multiply. 2 into 7 minus 12 into 3. And 2 into 7 is 14 minus 12 into 3 is 36. So you will get 14 minus 36/21. Now what we'll do? We'll take minus sign outside. And in the bracket what we'll write? Here this 14 is positive. So when you write here minus, so here you have to give minus, because minus into minus is plus. So you'll get positive here. So here we will give minus 14. And here it is minus 36. Here as we have written minus sign outside the bracket, so this will become here positive, because minus into plus is minus. This bracket is multiplication. And then you know how to do it. Now what you will do? We will rearrange it. Like this one, this number we will write first. This minus as it is we'll write here. So we'll put a bracket and first we'll write 36 and then this number will be after the minus 14. So 36 minus 14/21. Denominator is same in all the steps. And that is equal to, now when you subtract this. When you subtract 14 from 36, you will get 22. And here minus sign is there, so we'll write minus 22 upon 21. And then it is divided, you can see 22 is divided by 21. What you will get? Here you will get 121, 1s are 21, and then here this is the remainder. And then you will write in this way. This is the quotient, so we'll write here 1, and then this is the remainder, it will be here, and this is the divisor, it will be in the denominator. And here minus sign is there, we'll give minus sign. So minus 1, 1 upon 21 is the answer. Now next operation which we are going to learn today, subtraction of rational numbers. Now while subtracting two rational numbers, we add the additive inverse of the rational number that is being subtracted to the other rational number. So let us understand with the help of an example. This is an example, 7 upon 8 minus 2 upon 3. And it can be written as 7 upon 8 plus, just now we have learned additive inverse of the rational number. So additive, we can write in this way, 7 upon 8 plus additive inverse of this rational number 2 upon 3. And you know additive inverse of 2 upon 3 will be minus 2 upon 3. So now next step you see 7 upon 8 plus, here plus is given, so plus, and then here additive inverse of 2 upon 3 is minus 2 upon 3. And then what you will write, next step, we'll take the LCM of 8 and 3, 8 3s are 24, and then 7 into 3 is 21, here plus is there, we'll give plus, and then here minus 8 2s are 16. So here in bracket minus 16. And then next step plus minus will be minus. So 21 minus 16 will be 5, and in the denominator we'll write 24. So answer will be 5 upon 24. So let us take one more example. This is another example. What will be 2 upon 7 minus, here in bracket minus 5 upon 6. So let us see how to solve it. Now this is the way you will write first. You will write down 2 upon 7 minus 5 upon 6. You can write this like this, is equal to 2 upon 7 plus additive inverse of this second rational number minus 5 upon 6. And that is equal to 2 upon 7 as it is will write. And you know additive inverse of minus 5 upon 6 is 5 upon 6. So that is written plus 5 upon 6. And then you know how to solve it. We'll take the LCM of 7 and 6. You will get 42. And then we will here we will multiply 7 5s are 35. 6 2s are 12. 35 plus 12 is 47. 47 upon 42. And then by dividing you are going to convert it into mixed form. 1 5 upon 42. Now let us go to the second question of exercise 9.2. In the last session we have completed first question. So now today we will start with question number 2, which is based on subtraction of rational numbers. So the first question is 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. So this is the question. So you can write in this way. You can multiply these two denominators first, or you can take LCM. Both the methods are correct. You can, here if you multiply like this, at the end you have to reduce it. You have to bring it in the simplest form. So let us see how to do this. See, 24 into 36 we will write in the denominator, and then what we'll do, we are going to cross multiply. 7 will be multiplied by 36. 7 into 36, and this is minus, so here we'll write minus. 17 will be multiplied to 24, so 17 into 24. And then this two numbers we will multiply, you will get 252. Minus, here minus is there. Now these two numbers also will multiply, we will get 408. Upon this we will write as it is 24 into 36. And then what we will do, we will take minus sign outside. And then here we'll put a bracket. Now here it is positive. So when you take minus sign outside, here you have to give minus, because minus into minus is plus. So here it will become minus 252, and here this is minus. So when you are taking out minus sign, here we have to give positive sign. So it will be plus 408, because here minus into plus is minus. So this way you are going to solve it. Now next step you see, we are going to arrange it. Like this number we will write first. See, minus again will give minus, and in the bracket first we'll write 408 minus this number we will write. Now it will be easier for you to subtract. So when you subtract it, you will get 156. And this sign also you will write over here. Upon, see the denominator is same, 24 into 36. And then what we will do, we are going to reduce. Now here you see, we are going to, these two numbers are reduced. Both are divisible by 2. So when you reduce it, when you divide it by 2, you will get here in numerator minus 78, and here you will get 12, because 12 2s are 24. And then what you will do, again we can reduce this. You can see 78 is also divisible by 2, 12 is also divisible by 2. So these two are again reduced. You will get minus 39 upon 6 into 36. See, 36 is same. We are writing here same. And then again now here you see 39 and 6. Both are divisible by 3. Now here not by 2. We will divide, we'll reduce it by 3. So when you reduce it by 3, here you will get 13 minus 13. Minus sign is there. So minus 13 upon, and here we will write 2. Because 3 2s are 6 into 36. And then what you will do, you are going to multiply this 2. When you multiply this 2, you will get 72. And in the numerator, minus 13. So answer is minus 13 upon 72. So you can do by LCM method also, or by this method also, by multiplication and then cross multiplication. But at the end you have to reduce it and you have to bring it to the simplest form. Now children, next question, second question, 5 upon 63. Please open your textbook and see the question and write down in your maths notebook. First you understand and then you write step by step. See, this is the question given, second question. 5 upon 63 minus, here in bracket, minus 6 upon 21. So you can add one step, that additive inverse step which we have learned. We can write 5 upon 63 plus additive inverse of minus 6 upon 21. Or you can write directly this way, 5 upon 63, it will be same only, plus 6 upon 21. Additive inverse of minus 6 upon 21 is 6 upon 21. And here minus we will write, in place of minus here plus will write. Okay, and then next one, now what you have to do, you can see the denominators are different. So we have to first equalize the denominator. Now here what is given, 21 is given. So you know 21 3s are 63. So what we will do, we will first write 5 upon 63 as it is, plus, now here what we will do, in the denominator we are going to multiply by 3. See here, 21 into 3 is written. So when you are multiplying denominator by 3 to make it 63, numerator also has to be multiplied by 3. So 6 is also multiplied by 3. And then 5 upon 63 plus 6 3s are 18 upon 63. Now you can see both the denominators are same. So what we'll do, we'll take it common like this, 63, and then this 2 we are going to add. So 5 plus 18 is equal to 23 upon 63. So this way, now you can't reduce it, this is the answer. 23 upon 63 is the answer. Now third question, minus 6 upon 13 minus 7 upon 50. So this also we can write, we can add one step, minus 6 upon 13 plus additive inverse of minus 7 upon 15. That is equal to minus 6 upon 13 plus 7 upon 15. Or directly you can write this step. We can write minus 6 upon 13 and then minus and minus is there, so plus 7 upon 15. This way also you can do. And then now here you see, here 13 is there in the denominator and here 15 is there. So we will rearrange it a bit. We'll write this fraction first and this one, this rational number here. So we'll write 7 upon 15 minus 6 upon 30. And then what we'll do, we will multiply these two denominators, 15 into 13. And then we will cross multiply, 7 into 13 minus this 2, 6 into 15. 13 7s are 91, 15 6 are 90, and then this 2 you are going to subtract, you will get 1, denominator 15 into 13. You will multiply, you will get 195. You can multiply here also or at the end also. So answer will be 1 upon 195. Now question number 4, minus 3 upon 8 minus 7 upon 11. So this is the question. So you can see a minus is there here also, here also. We will take minus sign outside. We'll take it common, so let it be outside, and we'll put a bracket. Then we can write here 3 upon 8 plus 7 upon 11. Because minus sign we have taken outside, that means this sign is common to both. And then we will work out this. 8 into 11 here in the denominator. This to 3 into 11. 3 into 11 is written, plus 7 into 8. 7 into 8 is written. And then next step, minus sign is outside in the bracket. 11 3 is a 33 plus 7 8 is a 56 upon 88. And then this two we are going to add. So when we add, we'll get 89. And minus sign is here. We'll give minus sign also. Minus 89 upon 88. So this is the fourth question. Now fifth one is minus 2, 1 upon 9 minus 6. So here also you can see minus sign is here also, here also. So we will take it outside the bracket. So equal to minus, and this we will write like this in bracket 2, 1 upon 9 plus 6. Because this minus sign we have taken outside the bracket. And you know minus into plus is minus. So you will get this step. So, and then next step will be minus. Now this is in mixed form. We are going to write in this way 2 into 9 plus 1 upon the denominator will be here 9 plus 6. Now 9 2s are 18 plus 1 upon 9 plus 6, and minus sign you have to write like this outside the bracket. And then again minus sign, 18 plus 1 is 19 upon 9 plus 6. Now if you want, you can write 1 here as denominator. And here 1 is there, here 9, so the LCM will be 9 only. So here in the denominator 9 you will write. And then what you will do, 19 into 1 is 19, so directly you can write 19 plus 6 multiplied by 9, 6 into 9 in the bracket. You will write like this, and equal to now minus 19 plus 6 9s are 54 upon 9. Now this two we are going to add. 54 plus 19 is 73, and minus is there outside the bracket, so minus 73 upon 9. So answer is minus 73 upon 9. Now children, this is your homework for today. These are the two questions. Here you have to do subtraction, and you have to, these are the two rational numbers. You have to subtract these two rational numbers. This is again another question. This is in mixed form. You have to subtract it, and this two question you will do it in your maths notebook. So that's all for today. Thank you.